are you free on Sunday morning?
Sunday morning, what time?
Maybe 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Sorry, I can. At 10 o'clock. At 11 o'clock. I have to power brunch with Simon Adisi.
Oh, okay. How about Monday afternoon? Maybe at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Sorry, I can. I must dinner with Mr. Sato of headquarters.
Oh, I see. You're very busy. What about Thursday? Maybe in the evening at 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock, I must appointment with apa tuh Dokter Yanti.
Oh, okay. What about Wednesday? Are you free?
Yeah, yes, I'm free.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. In Wednesday, meet you.
Can we
Can we meet you on Wednesday?
what time?
What time?
Maybe in the evening at 7 o'clock.
Okay, I will mark it
On?
on planner.
Yeah.
Okay.